Okay, now that we have some back hairstyles, we're going to move on to some front hairstyles. And what I mean by front hairstyles is bangs. So there's ways you can have hairstyles in the front that are more creative than bangs, but that's one of the simplest hairstyles that I like to wear. And the cutest one is really just very straight bangs. But when you see illustrations for bangs, they usually aren't just straight across. Usually you can see a tiny little part in there. And so to do that, I still am going to use rectangles, but I'm going to take one of these rectangles and I am going to slightly tilt it and then move it so it connects to the rectangle next to it. Okay, and then one last rectangle to fill out the rest of my bangs. Okay, when I union all that together, it creates a really nice smooth line that looks like bangs. Let's go ahead and convert that to paths. Okay, well, nobody has a choppy head like that, so I do want that to be rounded with the face. So I just want the area that overlaps this circle and my bangs. So, and I do want it to be a little bit above the head, so I can highlight those two things and go to modify intersection. And then there are some cute little bangs, which I can go to convert to paths. And let's give it a color. We'll make it blue hair this time. Okay, let's do a second front of the face. So my second one is still pretty simple. I'm just going to combine some shapes. Let's say I kind of want to be a little bit more stylish. And I don't want to cover both of my eyes, but maybe my hair covers up one of them. So let's do a union to get the little sweeping hair on both sides, and then I'm going to do another intersection. So that it just gets that overlapping area. And then we can do a convert to paths. Okay, that gives me a nice little part in the middle, and then we'll fill it with the hair color. We'll just make it green this time.